So people, I have two live where I go share with you now. Seeing one with Rosealee on a yacht with a dozen TikTokers. All of them got the global, you know what I mean? And them dip on the yacht in Miami, on the waters, just easy themselves and a build a nice vibes. You know what I mean? I go share that. Plus me I go share Rosealee. Rosealee I talk about the whole situation with Drae TV and Toy with a woman seeing she beat Derrick for a little minute. You know what I mean? Because you don't know she and Derrick have them back and forth. What year Derrick go up on a live and diss up Rosealee. You see me I say? So Rosealee time for answer Derrick, you know. You know what I mean? So me catch a little part of she a beat him. You know what I mean? Then she start on Drae TV. You see me? My analyzing of the whole situation with Rosealee and Drae TV, me feel like say Rosealee still have some hate for Drae TV. The way she a deal with him in that video, yeah. You see me? So we are gonna start it off with Rosealee. So we could watch and hear what Rosealee I say. But she a gonna start from Derrick first. So we could watch Derrick and then go over to Drae TV.
And pose like that. I'm a foot on, so I go up on the internet and I'm a class people. Derrick want beard with a good power hose. With some Derrick want beard, Derrick think I'm not gonna argue with him. At the blood clot frowns, yes. Man, me see from my barn. Derrick frowns, Derrick dirty, Derrick want be, Derrick think. Everything that's blood clot bad. And you wake up this morning in a park with one little blood clot. Girl we can't put you up and talk about me. You know girl can't talk about me in a park?
Ja.
Him not beard and put on bleaching cream every blood clot. Do you think? Stays on him not beard. And you come about people on the internet. They go sit down, man. Enough for him. And we not really waste our time right there, so. We not compete our gun on Derrick Morgan to them. I don't see the sense. Anyway.
Rosealee I know the first person say Derrick smells still in people. But you know what I mean? Him have a guest house where he must stay. Them not have bathroom where him can hold a fresh and go out in the morning. Him need to clean up himself still. So make we hear what she has about Drae TV, you know.
Me hear say, well, you're black. Well, you're black. If you're tired, move. Cause you're broke. Me hear say, the chat. The story with King, the story with Drae TV and him gifter. How that story they go? Fa. Me not understand that story they TikTok. That story they sound it like it label with infamil.
What do you mean infamil?
Because him say the woman come from foreign, and when the woman come from foreign, him and the woman go buy KFC and Toy look on the woman from head to blood clot tour. Toy look on the woman from head to blood clot tour. Then Toy reach the woman in box. So Twy reach the woman inbox. Then if you never Twy come, no Twy nobody woman any at all. The man could have come from foreign and apart with you, and she could have been your good friend. The woman come from foreign and apart with you, she could have been a good friend. I could have your friend, woman, I could have your relatives. Twy know say you're no man in a story. Pencil told for me TikTok coming on know. The woman come from foreign. And Twy know about the woman and look on the blood clad woman. Then Twy reach the woman inbox. Twy reach the woman in blood clad box. Then TikTok told me done see now. Told me fool, put it at that. If you never sit down and discuss the woman with Twy, Twy gonna know the blood clad woman. If you never sit down and discuss the woman with blood clad Twy, Twy gonna know the blood clad woman. Are you still gonna tell the woman things? You still gonna tell the blood clad Twy about the woman? I saw Twy know the blood clad woman. So the story go. The story can go no other way. Me piece it out and puzzle it out. For if me and Tiara me gifter, and Tiara come from Jamaica, right? And someone gonna reach na Tiara blood clot inbox and I gonna text Tiara. When you blood clot me. Now must me I tell the blood clot problem about blood clot Tiara. Them can't jump in a Tiara blood clot inbox. So how they know Tiara page on the app? And that me want to know. Wait now. You talk too soon.
You know, I feel go as Rosealee talks still, you know, although it can go some. You know what I mean? The dog maybe even see the woman a gift. The youth, Twy maybe see the woman a gift Drae TV and slide in her inbox. You know what I mean? Remember say him have her up on him page, you know. You saw me I say maybe him tell him about her little bit still. You know what I mean? Because him say Twy know say a female woman, so it can go as how Rosealee say and it can go a different way.
In our blood clot inbox. Wanna fix the puzzle for me. Twy know the woman name can go in the woman blood clot inbox. Even if a friend come to your live and say somebody a shoot. All I can say all I can say him say your gifter. How him know the woman personal blood clot page? Him post her up that no mean blood clot nothing.
Yeah, him post her. So him can look on the post, you know what I mean? Find her page.
Him post her up
Find her page. Find her page easily. Because she should
I believe that Drae slung and tell Twy things about Erica Marie.
Maybe because man and man chat. You see me? And them a friends, so maybe him tell him two things.
I believe that black that person there.
Maybe him tell him two things, yes.
I believe that Drae slung and tell Twy something about Erica Marie. Yeah. Because at the end of the blood clot day, you can come on my platform and tell me no blood clot day. Say, Drae blood clot mad me not ask Christ. Because at the end of the blood clot is me I saw make Drae know Erica Marie.
You feel like say Rosealee?
Me I saw me. This bitch make Drae know Erica Marie.
Still feel a way about the dog.
And me make him know her. Me. Even if for me, him would know her. So get your facts straight when you come from my blood clot life. Come type. Then you have the audacity. Your friend takes a woman, as what you say. Your woman show you. All you have to do, tell your woman, block your friend, and you know where it stands. One I bring on the internet and the boy not a TikToker. Some crowd to chase.
Him do TikTok, man. Him a TikToker. You see it? Him a TikToker, man. Him def on TikTok.
How do I them are they with them gifts to them? Girl, you have to go see them and ask them. You can't ask me. You not fuck none of my gifts to them. You're junk. When I come out, come talk on the junk. Come like someone on the junk to blood clot. The boy them not have no clarity. The boy they call them not have no clarity. They don't have any clarity to all the audience. They don't have any clarity to all the audience. No clarity.
True, you have to have a thing about you for people kind of give you. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, you have to have a little entertaining thing about you. You see it, you can't just sit down every day and just get gift from people. People now go really, you know what I mean, gravitate to you. You have to have a little style. You have to have something to make them gravitate to you. You know what I mean? You saw Rosealee and Rosealee them have people that give them. Them have style. Look on Roger them have style. You see me? You don't have to really get up and a dance and them something, but you have to have something about you. You see it for people take on to you.
Clarity. Them boring like capital B. Them can't sit down and make you laugh. Them can't embrace themselves to people. No substance in them game. That's even when the last time him claimed the same class me. Although TikTok at 2024 I will go past that. We'll go past it TikTok.
Yeah, that part.
I'm just using that example. That's why when the last time him claimed the same class me, him and her so cocky Erica and one big stinking man in a one big stinking man who juggle balls in a blood clot in a box of class me. The farmer lover when them dirty stinking Nelly and them come out and them class me. Fuck up batty wall Naya. Come out, come class me. Them not go nowhere.
Yeah, I know. Nah man, Naya go on with things on TikTok, man. I want to hear the dog by a bimmer. You see me? Him a go on with things, man. Him always up in the ranking from what he You see me? Him a go on with things, man.
Him do that, him follow for axis. Because at the end of the day, you was a nobody on the app. And who you used to do YouTube with never come over here, come sit down and play 85, 35, and 93 game with you. They don't play with you if you don't have any smoke. They don't play with you if you don't have any smoke. Them not sing a 3-4 hour and play with you. So you see all the way you sing and say and do to me, you realize that you didn't break me. You the one that fall. Are you fuck you spit in a God face?
Yeah, I know. What?
Erica Marie is my blood clot shooter. She was my shooter. She was my shooter. And we were playing a match and I said, somebody go over and help him from the day. I said somebody go over and help him. I must about 4, somebody go over there and she never come back. She never came back. She never come back.
Yeah, I know. She lost her way. She finds sitting and never come. Yeah, I know, star. I don't know everybody.
I don't like the fact that
send them gift. I go give people, you know.
I lose half for you.
Big up to Rosealee
and a ball
for that.
game that we play is a Batman ball game because if you're best to look your blood clot woman, you shouldn't in a texting store with your friend.
No, you have to find out. You have to have proof,
Simple.
Rosalie. You have to have real proof, and that's why I'm doing it, you know what I mean? Because you can't go accuse a man of doing something where you don't have no proof for. You understand? You have to have proof, so that's why
The
I'm
whole
doing
of we
it.
are human being and no we're not perfect. And there's many ways to angle a situation. If your friend a look your woman, me a draft up some uncalled for story. You draft up me never took up to no mean advice. You draft some uncalled for story. Me not like that stigma there.
You have to really have
That
proof.
give me a girl vibes. That give me a girl vibes. Your friend I text your woman say I. I can mean she does I can mean I. I can mean I.
That's a true still. I can mean I. But where the I find at the first place, because you really sim with the woman already. So why would you know what I mean? Well, him can text her still, you know what I mean? I hello, remember me Ray and done it there so. But wait end up here now, it no look good. You see it.
I can mean I. I never come with no feeling behind it, the man live with the woman. I can mean just I. But you to show you know say already, you are babes. Block him, let me deal with it. You take it up on your head, and you're gone in a one long story, till the story come out, and I say, who one got Panama gun yam this and that, and they know exactly where your blood clot though. And then at the end of the blood clot day, when Erica Maria flew down for come fucking, nobody don't know. Oh, that reach on TikTok, no one to know.
The conversation shouldn't reach this so because you know say I the dog
Oh, that reach
personal
on
girl still.
TikTok.
You know what I
Nobody no
mean?
fool. That story that sound fabricated. That story that sound fabricated. And your friend who you say hang out with and all the things them. I believe that. I tell them my belief thing that I'm not here. You sit down and tell twice about the blood clot girl will come to you.
Maybe
And the
something
Chigalo
goes.
message.
Maybe.
So, as you meet her, I saw why I want to meet her. Simple.
Maybe something goes so still.
As
Maybe
you
him
meet
tell the
her,
dog
I
something.
saw why I want to meet her.
Maybe him tell the dog something.
Cause your friend and him in our inbox and you no blood clot tell her to block him. Block him, you deal with it. Just block him, you deal with it. You began to text the man. Me text him. Why? That give me a girl vibes. And a woman which is a big woman don't tell us no. That I got bring off a girl stigma. All you have to do is block him. I don't know, you're gonna know when to approach him. I said, dog, where you gonna make woman in box for? Me not like that. All you have to do is block. Tell her block him. And when you're my wall, you must hold him one away, you know. When you hold him one away, you say to him, say, me not like that. Where you gonna woman in box for, dog?
He could have angled so for real. He could have angled away the for
But
real.
your intention are not blood clot pure. So you want bring down smaddy. It's all about to bring down for you because you like it. You want the views. You want the comeback. The story want pencil out. So when Miss Binger over there I say, oh, and him shouldn't text him and him the whole one a typical man.
As me say, he could have angled away
No
there.
man not perfect.
But you can't tell a man how to angle his own
A
situation.
man can say him and a batty man. Make him then in one room with one man. And the bag of money is right there. And the money sound heavy. And you see how quick how him take out him hood. A man can't say him the batty man. And him and the person in the place alone, nobody not there. No one is there. No one is there, and him take out him and him saying, the man start to, say, me have money again, where you do. And him start to think and I say, boy, the money is so enough, The money is so enough, and them fuck, the man are take fuck.
Some real money that done the man we have for work him and take the money. You know what I mean? Mash him down and take the money. Them not take no wood or give no wood. You see it? Enough money that walk away too. You see me? I know say go. I know every man weak to money. Some man put them morals and them standard over money. You see me I say? As me I say, it could have angled the way or Rosealee I say it could have angled where you tell the woman to block him and then confront him about the situation. But some man now go about it that way to them friend, because the friend could have said to him, say, oh yeah, pray me and I just eye me say, whatever. Me just a yell up her. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Some man want to know say them have proof. Say, I look you did I look the woman. To confront you with, so that you can't say nothing no go so. You know what I mean? But on a level still, I do feel like say Rosealee have some little hatred for Drae same way. Not much still but a little bit, because when him did that on Miss Bling Alive and him a talk about the situation, Rosealee did ask him question and him a tell Rosealee something. So, you know what I mean? Them did that talk good. So me kind of frightened or Rosealee a kind of give him a beat you know. You see it?
Not perfect. A whole pa human being say them nah do this and them nah do that. And when you check a start, them a do this and them a do that. And your blood clot friend, we still our whole vibes with. We come all here, the enemy eat out of that one blood clot. This should reach right blood clot, yeah, so. If your friend look your blood clot, woman, you put your friend in a blood clot space. How you meet the woman up on the internet? You put your friend in a space. You know, carry on like when we see your blood clot carry on for views. Because 500,000 people when you come out and share the story too, now come here, now come over your life, come send, not even tap the blood clot screen. Because them enter the door, them leave.
To each his own, you know what I mean?
As them enter the blood clot door, them come out back. I have a friend and live with them woman where you portrait. Something wrong with the story. For me want to know how to I know so that girl is your woman.
Him see them I can't see.
I have to be the impression when J. It's after be the impression when give about the woman making blood clot friend when go text her. Nobody no fool. Nobody no fool.
What kind of impression?
And the same thing me say too. It have to be the impression where you give your friend about. It have to be the impression what you give your friend about.
As me say, people, every man personal woman is off limit. You know what I mean? To him friend them, unless in my thing, unless the woman force it upon him and he want proof to show him friend say, yo, Ray, because some woman are going to deny it and the man end up tell you say a lie you tell. But when me I say, what kind of thing Drae TV could have tell twice for him start looking woman? What? You know what I mean? Me not feel like him tell him nothing. You see me? Sometimes like he in some inner city and them way there, man and man, you don't know we chat woman and we have a girl round the road with couple man a knock. You see me? And a man tell him friend say, yo, say you know, say me get a knock off for such and such cause couple man a knock it, you know. That you know say boy I know him personal woman, so he might make you know for you go try your luck and see if you can get a knock off for it. I'm one personal woman, you know what I mean? This is no chicken head. So me no see why he would have really try if he, you know what I mean, go there with the woman. Your best friend woman or your friend woman, personal woman is off limit. Nothing wrong with a woman where you keep with him woman. But the personal woman off limit.
Make him come in our DM. Oh, him know the woman page to come in our DM. Any at all.
Alright, so people, enough of that. We are going to move over to Rosealee. You know what I mean? Because Rosealee up on a yacht with a bag of TikTokers them. And you know him favorite girl. People are say them there. But me not see it, people. You know what I mean? Me not see it. Them just good. It look like say that girl, she know how fi kinda garner funds. She know how to get the people them attracted to her, to follow her, and to build up her view count and her gifters. Because a 2-person, she have the way like how. She have 2-person the same way. She have a friend with name Lulu, and she have Rosealee where them cool like that and play around. You know what I mean? So make you watch that video here with Rosealee on the yacht with she, Lulu, and a lot of other TikTokers. Even the girl named Pink. I think she named the girl will come with the type, you know what I mean, with the AI thing on TikTok. She did up on the yacht too. And me not like people. Me see she make couple move like say she you know what I mean, I try lead on Rosealee, but the dog kinda, you know what I mean, play it off away. So me go watch and see what go on.
Bro, the big and the own business, people are just trying to even be friendly with them, bro. You don't have to say nothing, everybody want to be a friend, because everybody want. You understand? Yeah, bro. As long as you put in work. Yeah, bro, the feeling are nice, bro. Feeling are nice, the feeling I feel different. At first, me I come on a yacht in a foreign, you know. First, me I come on a yacht in a foreign, bro. I'm class, you want jet ski there. Guys who want jet ski there, me and you know. Guys, I'm me and you for the other side, bro. Dog, I'm not lame up on the boat. Bro, I'm me and you for a drive off, so. Sweet heart, Jesus. How I please to be believer. Can't say be sweet like a chavita. And I'm in a bro. I'm tired out, brother. Tired out now, come enjoy yourself with me, bro. I'm here only for the pan a jet ski, a teamless, and we just say so boom. And we enjoy ourselves and I drink beer liquor. And then I say, oh, give me a pill. Yeah, bro. I'm here only for there, bro. I drink 6 buckle of belly and station. Ease off and G's off. Bro, maybe keep one. Watch out here. One buckle. Guys, look the baby. Yo, guys, must meet me last night and recross, bro. Must meet me and recross last night, bro. Man, them rich as fuck. Hey! Steady! Bob Marley! Yes! Jamaica bomber clad! Yeah! Yeah, you know, stupid ass pussy ass nigga little shit. Yeah, come. Bring these jet ski come. I'm first on skate one. Brother, take me and take off my shirt and show me chicken chest, you know. A man just live. Don't know if we are dead tomorrow, but me not want dead. Guys, me not want dead. I don't want dead. Yo, me tell you. Get to you, me telling you the truth. Just love on yourself, stay humble, stay positive, and put in work. Yesterday, one reader man said me not focus.
Oh, them nigga yellow me so much. Oh, them youth you know what it is.
Girl black on me on the jet ski.
Love obvious.
Yeah, bro, just build, bro. Everything are coming, bro. But you have to just
All
go
the
feed,
jokes
bro.
we slay of it.
Go feed, dog. You see me? That's why when the TikTok challenge I'm go on, bro, I take them serious. Because you see, yesterday at the global show, you don't know who they in the room, bro, cannot watch it, bro. You know who you can meet, bro. So when I tell you, bro, you know who you can meet, bro. So you don't run them people in them circle, bro, you know what can go on in your life, you know what can sparks. You know what can sparks, bro. You see me? Yeah, if I give me a jet ski, I said, never give me a jet ski, I'm going straight to Jamaica. Guys, if give me a jet ski, I'm going straight to Jamaica. Them no blood clots, see me.
Where are my friends? You think they'll be able to get on the boat? If they'll let everybody use the jet skis?
Why will she not let him in?
No, that's what I'm saying. When we park up, they're gonna drive the jet skis and then everyone's gonna be able to ride them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Why would she not be?
Oh, okay, chilling. Yeah, jump in.
Yo, how much you jump in? I'm just gonna if I jump in.
Hit different.
Claps. Show them at you.
Huh?
Show them at you.
Show them my chain.
Everybody got that. I know why Air Force One.
Jesus.
Everyone to the back.
We gotta go to the back.
Boy.
Alright, but shit, I love your ass, boy.
Boy.
I got you.
Hey, everybody have to go inside. Sorry. Yeah, everybody inside announcements right now.
Guys, my finger hurt me. Boy. Fire, fire. Holy fire, fire. Holy fire, fire. Hey.
Can y'all look around? Can somebody call my phone? My phone is.
The bus was sending two shit away.
Where's my phone?
Okay, guys.
I need to find my phone first.
The people, me not lie. You know what I mean? This look good. You see me? If you know where Rosealee come from and for reach you so still, it's a good look. You know what I mean? If you're on a yacht in a Miami, a full jar yourself, it's a good look, man. You see me I say? And people, me see a little shade. A while ago, me I watch a live. You know what I mean? Me I watch a match. And me see a little shade at show. And me not really call no name still. But you see some people on TikTok, them not easy, you know. Remember me tell you say, yo, enough of them a fire starter. Big man thing. Remember me tell you no. You see it. So me can watch some more of this.
I just need 1 minute.
No.
Guys, please.
Guys,
pay
1
attention,
minute.
just
1 minute, guys.
Straight to voicemail.
Welcome on board. My name is Roy. Gonna be your captain today. We got life jackets on the boat, located down the benches, outside of the boat, on the second deck, and on the engine room. We got a bathroom over there. Just please don't throw any paper on the toilet. This is a marine toilet. If you guys throw paper, they're gonna get stuck. After that, nobody gonna be able to use it. We got all the safety equipment, and we're prepared. Just please don't go on the back of the boat on the platform where the boat is floating. We got props in somebody fall in the water. That props can kill you, so please stay away from that. Be careful walking to the front of the boat. Use the handrails when you're walking. Remember, we're on the water and the boat gonna move, so just be careful walking around the boat. If you guys want to go to the third deck, here the second deck, or down at the bottom of the room, you guys can go. We got the kitchen on front.
I could skip that a little bit. Skip out also.
Damn, yo, these balloons ain't it.
Boy, me never try to see me TV chicken. Come here, Crystal them just ever I out their chicken them and fry them back. Chicken and blood clot. Low better than. Low better than. That low better. Go to the picture. Bro, you're the boy informer now. Huh? Back.
Guys,
Chungam.
you guys can stay there, but just please sit down. Thank you.
Chungam. Yeah. Bro, don't do that, bro. Mikan. So me have to tell you that. You ready? We're going to Africa. We're going to Africa. Please be seated. Please be seated, okay? We're going to Africa. We will move up in 5 seconds. Okay? Please sit. 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 Okay. Yes, wait, yes. It's one other guess. Give me 5. Bro, come here, bro. Bro, that chicken, I bring it on the yacht. So I don't want you to think it's the chicken down there. Would you wrap me out? I need 2 more. Where you get juice?
Oh, so you don't want nobody to see you?
No. So I can get 2 times.
Oh, Leslie's, I'll go right now. So you want me to sneak you
Lulu,
some?
brother. Yeah, me and
everybody?
Me and my tea food.
So you want me to sneak you some chicken so nobody sees you grabbing it?
Yeah. Okay, my bro.
Just hold my drink.
Okay, my bro.
Just hold my drink.
Okay, my bro. Okay, my bro. Okay, my bro. Oi! By the time them ready for share chicken, none left. Them tell them I brush my teeth already. No, them not find a bone. By the time them ready for check like F chicken there, man. But done them off that. Only thing them say a bone.
He was like this about flip. Hey everyone. Bro, he was mad on her booty, huh? Wait, don't drink it yet. Alright, get a circle, guys. Can you move back? Pink, move back. We gotta make a video.
How much you taking?
I got anybody.
Alright, get a circle. Come.
Anybody need a shot? There's shot right here.
Anybody missing a shot? Anybody? DT, come on, hurry up.
Oh yeah, logo.
Oh, what you need to roll? Ready?
Always I drink 2.
Alright, it's shot time.
Evan, get up. Get up. Get him a shot, please. Okay. So I just want to say something real quick. Save your bottle.
Boy, my chicken supposed to hot.
So this them must say I make a toast. Think they make a toast for your birthday. You see me? And Rosealee must have left some chicken upstairs where him hide off. You know. Well, overall, people, it's a good look, you know what I mean? I like this for Rosealee. You see me? Big one thing. He might work for it. He might work towards it, so, you know what I mean? The achievements so he might achieve, you know, he put in the hard work. You see it? So it's a good look. Big up to Rosealee.
Okay, I'm gonna just close it down.
shot, that's it.
Can I
One
talk?
shot and we're done.
Where's the video? Oh, there you go. Okay, Devin, go back. Okay, so I just want to say this real quick before we do anything. I know I'm annoying, but you know, this costs a lot. Thank you to Lulu. I fucking love you. I just met you, but I love you so much. So I wanted to make sure we all got content because the one. Oh shit, fuck. Give him a shot. Give him a shot real quick.
Yeah, you can take mine.
No, Devin.
Bartender.
Okay.
Everybody got it.
Grab it, Prince. Goddamn, grab it.
Okay.
Prince, y'all weird, spun it up.
All right, so I just want to say, I wanted to say thank you. I wanted to say thank you to Lulu because he's the one that even gave the idea and got the yacht for me. So thank you so much, Lulu. I want to say thank you to all you guys that came. If I invited you, it's because I feel like you're a genuine person and I feel like you really you're not shady because a lot of shady motherfuckers on TikTok. So I appreciate you guys, and I just wanted to celebrate our successes in our lives and our love, and I hope that everyone here has a successful, lit ass year this year. So cheers to y'all, cheers to me, cheers to everything.
Yeah. No, I'm not taking it. No shot, no shot. My chicken. Yeah, bro, I'm a gangster, bro. Yeah, look.
Yeah, I'm gangster.
You taking it?
You gonna take it?
No, bro.
Why not?
It's too strong. We drink like 6 of these last night.
Just one. Come on, me and you. You didn't take it, bro.
I'll take it, bro. I'll take it.
Take it, bro. Take it, bro. I took it for you. Yo, gangster.
Smart man.
Smart, right?
Smart man.
Yeah, bro. Bomber clot.
This league, rise up the chicken we hide.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Smart.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Blood clot, yo. Yeah, man, no.
No ketchup, dog. No look at hot sauce. Yeah, I know.
Boy, them at Drae. Them at Drae, fuck.
Get some ketchup, man, and wait up the chicken, man.
Water, sweet water. My sister, the water there. My sister, may I try to take some juice?
There's this guy right here.
Hey, Trey, do you want chicken?
I'm good, I appreciate it. Thanks.
No, Trey, this chicken is #1, bro. I'm telling you. Nice.
Yeah?
You should test it, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Okay, I'll test it.
Yeah, bro, take one, Trey.
Take one.
Yeah, bro, it's nice, bro. It's very nice. I swear to you, bro.
I'll take one.
It's the couldn't tap, bro. It's chicken.
It's just from Publix, I think.
No, not Publix. You might taste it, bro. I'm telling you.
It's from Publix, I think.
Bro, taste it, bro. Nice. Mwah. You help me teeth it. So we both teeth the chicken. You eat it. That's why I tell you to taste it. So if anybody asks Drae and Rosealee teeth chicken, good.
You just set me up?
We are bro now. We are thief.
What, thief?
Yeah, I stole it.
Whoa! You stole the chicken?
Yeah.
I think it's...
Stop, boy. I'm like a white boy, I'm going to go. Bro, it's not your fuck. Guys, you can't tap the screen.
We forward some
on
this. Forward
It's gonna be
some.
lame, bro.
I don't like it.
That's you're gonna bump too,
You
guys.
could go up here. You feel like down like that too.
Yeah.
Come on. Watch your step.
Yo, the man rape me, you know, dog.
Trying to get you the best view.
Yo, Lulu better rape me, fuck.
Right there.
That-
Oh, yeah.
Yes, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Bumbo clutch. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, man. Okay, come. I teach you. Watch me knee cup them more than big like Alcantara.
Hold on. I want you to teach me how to say, fuck these niggas.
Wait, grab yours.
Oh. Why?
Sis, make sure you behave. Me I behave, man.
What she say?
Me I behave, people. You know me I behave. Two of them
She
wobbly.
just say the N-word a while ago.
I behave.
I think say she white still, you know.
What you want to know?
I don't know. What should I know?
Bumbo clot?
That's normal.
Ras clot?
What does that mean? Like, what's the difference?
Bumbo clot and ras clot is different. It's telling you that
She
your
not
body
sound
language
white still.
is intravenous.
Say it! Why are you stuttering?
Where
Bomba
say no pussy test. Say no pussy test.
What? Okay.
No pussy test.
No, it look like she. I tell me, when I think say she white or Hispanic. You know what I mean? Because I think the Hispanic people them get a pass for say the N-word, you know, but white people that's a no. You see, most of the Hispanic them look white still, you know. You see, I just them ear curl enough of them. How you get to recognize them? Say them are Hispanic, them ear curly. White people ear straight. So she look like a Hispanic or a wig she wear. I don't know. Don't tell me if she look white or Hispanic.
Yeah, that mean nobody challenge you.
Nobody challenge. No pussy test.
Yeah, nobody challenge you. You're on top.
No pussy test.
Yeah. You see a boy, and you like him, you say, hey boy, come here.
Hey boy, come here.
I want you.
I want you.
Bring the 45, come.
What?
Bring the 45. Penis is 45 in Jamaica.
What?
Penis.
I don't want to say that though.
No, you won't say penis, you will say 45.
Yeah.
45.
Yeah, so you see a nigga, you say,
45.
45, come here.
Come here, 45.
Jesus, P, you getting it, bro. You getting it, shorty. You getting
Okay,
it.
that's gonna be my accent today.
Yeah, no, yeah, patwa. Chaboto. That makes you feel it. When you feel for drop it, pana? When you feel just brace it, just drop it, pana, like, make you feel it.
It's so hot.
If you ever just drop it, pana, like.
The fucking yard, on the yard. On the yard.
So I want to forward it to the part where.
Boy, are the man in the room now? Upon the yacht. What you
The
say?
girl named Pink.
Are we
chat
alone
to
as
the dog.
too rich? Yeah, me not there attend, but thank you.
I know you don't got your
That's one yacht. No. Crystal, I'm gonna get my bumper clap, but bro, you get a yacht?
Let's go, yes.
You
I
know.
was the first one to get a yacht on the yacht.
I was the second one.
First.
I'm gonna be the first to get 3. Guys, I want my second yacht. Guys, the second yacht.
Yo, Rachel, look where you started.
Oh, you say yacht. You want two? That's two. We tie. Two. One we need now.
We need one more to get the lead. One more
Come
to get
on,
the lead.
guys. One more.
to get the lead.
One more.
One more to get the lead. West got 2.
What you mean? Yeah, I think I heard
Guys,
that
me
too.
can't get.
Don't let Gordo get a yacht first.
Cause you get yacht. You get yacht, bro.
No, you got your yacht.
Bumper
No, you
clap.
not got your yacht. I know you not got your yacht.
I think I somewhere
You
you
really say, but me run in a way, but them gonna say too rich. Yeah, but I'm living some life too rich. Okay.
I see it already. That's what I think.
Blessed. Yeah, that's what I see. I'm blessed. I'm just too rich. Yeah, I'm bougie and I'm rich with it. Yeah, I don't know. Tanta blacks, tanta. Tenge. Okay, when I move, I say Pinky, come. When I move, I say Pinky, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Guys, me can't get.
So, me never catch all light people seeing, but I think she approached the dog, you know what I mean? A bag of whisper in the dog ears. Seeing, and like she asked the dog, say, oh, everybody there, so. and you there out there so by yourself, what go on, Ray. You know what I mean? Like she a say, yo, me and you for just chill, whatever. And that's why the dog did I tell her, say, okay then, when me a move, me I go say, okay, Pinky, forward. You know what I mean? But the dog did the whole time and never did link up back with her. Cause me say people, look like say Rosealee under the quiet, him have a woman. You know what I mean? Him can't have no woman still, you know, but maybe him no public relationship with nobody. You see, the dog a move militant in a way. You understand? But alright, just so we are got in it. You see me? The dog go out there enjoy himself, you know what I mean? And the life did longer. You know what I mean? Me even did a watch a different live one at a time. When them dip on some jet ski and I go on with themselves. You see it, so the dog in full joy himself. So only just make me know what you think. I end it right just so.